Everyone likes to believe they are a good thinker, but in reality not everyone is. Good thinkers are the ones who are always growing and evolving. Take a moment and look around. How many people do you see stuck with the same problems year after year? And while the issue they're facing might be obvious to you, they often can't see it themselves. It's like they have a blind spot. In reality though, we all have these blind spots, and they're often a product of our past experiences, or maybe even a lack of them. So, the key is to find a way to navigate through these blind spots and transform them into opportunities for growth. Effective thinking starts with clarity. A clear thought is unambiguous. It captures the essence and follows logical reasoning. For example, if you plant a seed in fertile soil, then it will grow. This is a straightforward if-then statement, which leads to a clear and intentional action. You prepare the soil, plant the seed and water it. Clear actions result in clear feedback. When you see the seed sprouting, you know that your thought was correct. This feedback verifies or refutes your thought, which refines your understanding of the world. If you're wrong, you adjust and move closer to the truth. And the more accurate your view, the better you are at solving problems. Think about Leonardo da Vinci, who was a polymath and someone who also excelled in art and invention. His clear, logical thinking, which was evident in the way he took his notes, allowed him to connect novel ideas to their practical applications. To improve your problem-solving skills, follow his example. Start by organizing your thoughts, then try to reduce ambiguity by making them clear with simple if-then statements. Clear logic leads to clear thoughts, which lead to clear actions, resulting in clear feedback and ultimately a better understanding of the world. Let's say you want to run a marathon. You might start by recognizing the challenge ahead and understanding the commitment required. So you meticulously plan a training regimen. You then schedule long runs, cross-training sessions, and rest days to ensure balanced progress. This clear logical reasoning leads to clear action. And as you progress, you receive clear feedback. How long can you run without stopping? How fast can you go? How does your body feel afterwards? This feedback helps refine your training routine and allows you to make the necessary adjustments to improve your endurance and performance. Good thinking begins with clear thinking, and clear thinking starts by turning your thoughts into unambiguous logical statements. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.